My name is Bobby Brannon. I'm with Bobby Brannon Heating and Air Conditioning, LLC in Bossier City, Louisiana. I went in business in September of 1979. Decided I wanted to try to do something for my family and myself, and I put my name on my business. The people that we provide services is residential customer, either new construction or existing homes and change out. We also do change outs in commercial buildings, and we do multifamily housing and hotels throughout the state of Louisiana. The reason why we feel like people come to us and we step out above the other companies is because my name is on the business, and when a customer calls, he can come and talk to me, and they will get a person whose name is actually on the business that can handle any situation and make decisions for their benefit.